If you watch the first Iron Man movie, you'll probably notice Jarvis, the AI virtual assistant from Tony Stark. And if you don't live under a rock, you've probably heard about Siri from Apple or Alexa from Amazon and its incredible capabilities powered by very advanced AI models. With the rise of ChatGPT, now anyone can build a very advanced AI system that's tailored to your specific needs, which is exactly what we'll be doing in this series of videos. Hello everyone, this is Marco speaking. In this series of videos, we'll be combining the power of ChatGPT, AWS, React, and Python to create a virtual assistant that's capable of performing a range of tasks for you. We'll take you through a step-by-step process of building a fully functioning virtual assistant, just like Iron Man's Jarvis. So how this is going to work, we're going to create two videos. The first video, we're going to create the backend side using Python to process the audio file and generate the output for the user. And on the second video, we're going to create the front-end side using React and Next.js. I hope you'll enjoy. So how this is going to work, this is our system architecture. So the process is the user using the front-end application sends the voice data to the backend side, and the backend side will transcode the file, which is basically converting the file to a format that the transcription service can accept. And so we're going to transcode the audio file to be sent to the transcription service, and the transcription service will receive the audio file and return the text content from the audio. So we're going to use this text content to mount the memory for the user chat for the virtual assistant, and then we're going to send this chat memory to the AI model, which is the GPT 3.5, which is the same that powers the ChatGPT. And we're going to take the output from the AI model, and then we're going to send to the voice generator service to convert the text to audio again, and then we'll send this audio file to the user. Okay, great. What are the tools and services that we're going to use? The first one is GPT 3.5 Turbo, which is the core AI model that we're going to use, which is the same AI model that powers ChatGPT. The second service that we're going to use is Whisper, which is the service responsible to convert audio to text, which is going to receive the input file from the user and converts the audio to text. The third one is Amazon Poly, which can do the opposite. It receives the text from the AI model and will convert the text to audio. The fourth tool that we're going to use is FFmpeg for doing the transcoding. So this is required because sometimes when we take the audio file from the user and send it directly to Whisper, sometimes depending on the format, Whisper does not recognize the audio file. So in my case, it was required to put a transcoding stage, basically converts the audio file from the input to some format recognized by Whisper. So FFmpeg can do this for us. The fifth one is Python for backend. We're going to use Python and Fast API to handle the request to do our backend service. The sixth one is the LangChain library, which is responsible for interacting with OpenAI. So we're not going to use the OpenAI directly. We're going to use LangChain for handling text and creating the memory for us, which is going to receive the every input and mount the memory for the user. So by using LangChain, OpenAI will be able to remember the previous questions that we make for it. And the last one is React and Next.js for the front end. So we're going to use React and Next.js to create our front end, which is the one that the user will interact with. So I hope you enjoy, and let's do this.